What if the thing holding you back isn't your situation, but the way you're thinking about it? Let's be honest. Most of us don't wake up motivated. We wake up tired, hit snooze like it's a sport, and start negotiating with ourselves before our feet even touch the ground. I'll start tomorrow. I just need the right moment. But here's the twist. There is no perfect moment. There's only a decision, repeated daily. Today we're breaking down 5 passive income streams that actually make $5,000 per month. Not just what it is, but how to think about it so it actually works. Most people look at success like it's a destination. Like one day you'll arrive, unpack your bags, and suddenly everything makes sense. But in reality, success is more like going to the gym. You don't get fit in one session. You build it through repetition. It's not about one big win. It's about small, consistent moves that stack over time. Here's where most people get stuck. They overthink the start. They want the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect conditions. But perfection is just procrastination, wearing a suit. Think about it like this. You don't learn to swim by reading about water. You get in, struggle a bit, maybe swallow some water, and then you improve. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. Let's bring it down to earth. Imagine 2 people. One spends months researching, planning, waiting. The other starts messy, adjusts, learns, and keeps moving. 6 months later, the second person isn't perfect, but they're ahead. Way ahead. Why? Because momentum beats hesitation every single time. So how do you actually apply this? Simple. Start smaller than you think you should. Focus on consistency over intensity. Measure progress, not perfection. Instead of asking, how do I master this? Ask, what's the next step I can take today? That question changes everything. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your mindset isn't fixed. It's adjustable, like a machine. And every thought you repeat, that's you tightening or loosening a bolt. You can keep reinforcing doubt, or you can start building belief, one action at a time. So here's what matters. You don't need more time. You don't need perfect conditions. You need to start and keep going. Take one step today, just one. Because the life you're thinking about, it's built by the actions you're avoiding. If this shifted your perspective even a little, follow Mindshift Mechanic for more breakdowns that turn thinking into action. Now go, adjust your mindset, and move.